Working on the clothes dryer again.
This is in reference to the previous video. I've got a new idler pulley, tensioner pulley, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to be changing that right now. Close this.
Okay, we'll do it live.
Yep. First thing, this one here, you just pull a little bit forward and the lid pops off just like the washer. But now we gotta take these two screws out for where the windscreen goes. Dryer's already unplugged. Now this will lift up like so. Let me grab a towel just to protect it.
Excuse me.
Okay, and this is it right here. Now there's two 5/8 inch nuts on here, so I'll be right back. I gotta grab the nut driver. Alright, now first thing we do, 5/8 inch nut driver here. Loosen this bolt. Screw. Next thing you need to do is disconnect the door switch. There's a little plastic clip here, and when you, oops, it's okay, the drum is slid because it is loose right now. I'm going to be disconnecting the two wires. And there, see, that's just for the door switch. Then this just lifts up. And like that, this sits down there, and this is a very heavy steel piece. Now for Dynatrack, this is how the springs work. These are the original springs that came with the unit. These are the new steel cables we put on it. So whenever you lower this, this is what it looks like. And then when you return it, like that. These are the original felt seals. They're still in good shape, and they're doing their job as they're intended to. This front panel is very heavy. Very gently set it there. That. Okay. Now, the drum.
Looks like an alien eye.
It does. And now you can see the old tensioner and the motor and the belt. This belt's pretty loose, so what we're gonna do is release the drum a little bit. Oops. That one kind of flung off.
You released it.
But this is the old one.
Got his attention, look.
This is the old one. As you can see, I can go like this, but it's not real free spinning at all. I mean, if I go like that, it should spin around. It doesn't. It like stops instantly. So now, in addition, we'll be removing the old belt. While the old belt might still be good, it's probably stretched and probably not gripping as well as it should. That could also be what the squealing sound is against the idler tension or whatever. So this is the belt.
You want me to throw it away for you?
No, we're gonna hold on to it. Over here is the brand new parts. Now watch this. I mean, this spins freely. Mind you, before I started the video, I did put 2 drops of oil on it because it is a sleeve bearing. But if you compare the two, here they are. All right. And this is the new belt. Okay, belt's around the drum. Now we're gonna stick this in. Help Now it's in the slot. So next thing I need to do is get it. It has to go through the tensioner first, and then now, there we go. Okay, I got cockeyed. Now, you can see it's like pretty much like that, but now if I lift up on the drum, it should pull itself up like so. See? So let me rotate this around a few times. Make sure that everything seats correctly. And it looks like it did. And that's pretty much it. I think we were done in less than 5 minutes.
Yep.
So now you take your front dryer door. The 2 clips right here, slots in the front door, or front panel. Okay, one fell in already. The other one, okay. The clips are in. Now you just line up this up with the drum. And before you tighten up the front of it, the top screws, I'm going to put this back in. Doesn't matter which wire goes on which side of the switch because it's the same connection points. Okay, then we're going to slide this up like so. Now, put the screws back in. Get one finger tight. The other in their finger tight, and I'll take the nut driver, tighten it the rest of the way. That's in. Okay, front panel's securely on. I'm going to take the 2 wires and slip them back in this plastic clip. Like so. Okay, and that's it. Now we can actually probably test it with the top open. So, do. Plug it in. Just stick it on air, and now it should start up nice and quiet. Wow, that sounds different. That's like a sound to it now.
So instead of a woo, it's just a woo?
Pretty much. Yeah. And there, you can see the drum rotating. Open the lids in the door. That sounded so much better. Before, you could actually hear it dragging even after it stopped to squeal. So do this one more time. This is how it's supposed to sound. It makes that whoop sound when the motor starts and it goes. So, there you go. So to complete this, all you have to do is snap your lid back down in place. Like that. And you have 2 Phillips head screws where the lint screen go. When you're taking this apart, make sure you get these screws first, otherwise you're going to pull hard on that plenum there. Yeah, it's nice and tight. million times better. Let's start that down in there. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed this very quick video on how to change a belt and idler pulley on a 1979 Kenmore 70 series electric dryer. Anything we'd like to add?
Yes. If you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please consider clicking the like button. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you would like to contribute to our channel, you can feel free to visit us on Patreon. The link is in the description. We'll see you.
Bye.
Bye.